Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just your belly throwing a tantrum, it's your digestive system's way of keeping things moving. When your stomach and intestines are empty, they perform a housekeeping function called the migrating motor complex. This involves muscle contractions that sweep residual food and bacteria through your digestive tract, creating those familiar rumbling sounds. Interestingly, these contractions occur every 90 to 120 minutes during fasting states, ensuring your system stays clean and ready for the next meal. I'm Taylor. Drop your wildest questions in the comments and hit subscribe for new videos every day.